Number 1. Brussels South Charleroi Airport is the most punctual airport in Europe. It is recognized as the world's second-best airport for on-time performance, trailing only Japan's Osaka International. Number 2. The Belgian Coast Tram is the world's longest tram route. The custom runs every 10 minutes during summer peak hours along the Belgian coast between the French and Dutch borders, making 68 stops between Nakhheist and Japan. Number 3. Belgium holds a world record for castles. Belgium has the most castles per square kilometer of any country on the planet. Number 4. Chocolate has been produced in Belgium for nearly 400 years. Belgium's first evidence of chocolate production dates from 1635. Belgian chocolate is produced in excess of 220,000 tons per year, and there are an estimated 2,000 chocolate shops in the country. Number 5. Belgium is the largest exporter of billiard balls in the world. Belgium produces nearly 80% of the world's billiard balls. Number 6. After the Netherlands and Japan, Belgium has the third highest vehicle density per square kilometer in the world. It also has the world's highest density of roads and railroads. Number 7. Belgium is the EU's fifth smallest country, with a total area of 30,528 square kilometers. With only Malta, Luxembourg, Cyprus, and Slovenia being smaller. Number 8. Belgium imports around 4.3 million bags of coffee per year, making it the world's sixth largest coffee importer. Number 9. The city of Antwerp is known as the world's diamond capital. Although it is not as well known as Brussels, the second largest city in Belgium has a long history and is known as the world's diamond capital. In fact, the city now polishes and shapes 85% of the world's rough diamonds before they reach retail outlets. Number 10. Belgium is one of the few countries in the world where education is compulsory until the age of 18. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.